Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Burns Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles east of Harrison Beaver Crib to Marina Shores at New Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City and Burns Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio.